If your social media workflow currently looks like this: 5 browser tabs open, manually copying content between platforms, chasing team members for approvals, missing messages from customers, and spending hours every week pulling performance data from different places just to understand what is working, RADAAR was built to replace that entire setup with one organized platform. And after going through everything it offers, I want to show you exactly what that looks like in practice. RADAAR is a social media management platform designed for marketing teams, agencies, freelancers, and businesses managing multiple brands and channels. Everything you need to run your social media operations: scheduling, publishing, team collaboration, inbox management, and performance analytics sits in one unified dashboard. Let me walk you through the complete workflow from the very beginning. The first thing you do when you set up RADAAR is connect your social media profiles. Navigate to the channel connection section and add the platforms you manage. The interface makes this straightforward, and once connected, all your channels are visible and manageable from one place. For teams managing multiple brands or clients, this centralized profile management is immediately valuable because you are not logging in and out of individual platform accounts to check what is happening across your operation. Once your channels are connected, you can start inviting team members. RADAAR's team management is genuinely detailed. You are not just adding people with a single permission level. You can assign specific roles, set access controls, and manage exactly what each team member can see and do within the platform. For agencies working with multiple clients, this granular permission system keeps the right people working on the right accounts without anyone accidentally touching content they should not have access to. Now let me show you the scheduler, because this is RADAAR's strongest feature and the one that saves the most time in day-to-day workflows. Open the content calendar and you get a visual overview of everything scheduled across all your connected channels. Creating a new post is straightforward. You choose your channels, compose your content, upload your media, and set your schedule. The calendar view makes it easy to see gaps, avoid overposting on certain days, and maintain a consistent presence across all your platforms without tracking it manually. RADAAR also has bulk upload, which is worth highlighting specifically for teams managing high content volume. Instead of creating posts one by one, you can upload a spreadsheet with multiple posts at once and schedule them all in a single action. For content-heavy operations, this alone can save hours every week. The stock library gives you access to visual assets directly within the platform, so you are not leaving RADAAR to find images elsewhere. And the URL shortener is built in so you can track link clicks without needing a separate tool. The social inbox is where all incoming messages, comments, and mentions from across your connected channels arrive in one place. Instead of checking each platform individually for customer messages, your team works from a single queue. You can assign messages to specific team members, mark conversations as resolved, and make sure nothing gets missed regardless of how many channels you are managing simultaneously. For anyone who has had customer messages fall through the gaps because they came in on a platform nobody was actively watching that day, the unified inbox directly solves that problem. The task manager adds another layer of team organization on top of the inbox. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track completion, all connected to the social media work happening across your channels. This keeps content approvals, response assignments, and campaign tasks organized within the same platform rather than across a separate project management tool. Analytics is RADAAR's third major pillar, and it delivers the kind of reporting that actually informs strategy rather than just showing vanity metrics. Connect your channels and RADAAR pulls performance data across all of them into one dashboard. You can see which content formats are performing, which platforms are driving the most engagement, how your audience is growing over time, and how individual posts are performing relative to each other. Having all of this in one place rather than platform by platform means you spend significantly less time compiling reports and more time acting on what the data tells you. For anyone who wants to explore RADAAR before committing, there is a demo account available at demo.radaar.io where you can see the full platform in action. The training video library is also available on RADAAR's YouTube channel if you want a guided walkthrough of specific features before getting started. The link is in the description. Head to RADAAR and connect your first channel. The full workflow from channel setup to scheduled posts to inbox management to analytics takes minutes to get running, and the difference it makes to a scattered social media operation is immediately clear.